Whanganui held its first ever Pakihi Māori Summit last year. Pakihi were given the opportunity to showcase mahi and expose businesses to their iwi, hapū, hapori and also the nation. Tomorrow they'll hold their second Whanganui Pakihi Māori Summit, where this time guest speakers will be given the opportunity to share their kōrero on the couch. Kai whakahaere of the event, Salita Tapatoro nā Ngāti Ruanui, ngā Rauri Kitahi, Te Ati Haunui a Pāpārangi, ngā Waiariki Ngāti Apa is with us now from Whanganui. Tēnā koe, Salita, thank you for joining us.
Tēnā koe.
Now, how important was it to establish this event yearly for our whānau of Whanganui?
So this kaupapa is unique, and it's an interactive way to tautoko our Pākihi on their journey in Te Ao Pākihi, and to ensure that they have the support and connections that they need to grow and be successful. So yes, this is our second. We're actually aiming to have two in 2023 and make it ongoing to celebrate during matariki celebrations as well. Or here in Te Tai Hauaru, we celebrate puanga. And so this kaupapa is very important. It's vital, if you want to say, to continue to wrap around support for our Pākihi as they continue to grow.
Salita, during the pandemic and lockdowns, people had time to create opportunities for themselves, to generate additional income and become their own boss. How is the summit able to support Pakihi Māori businesses through the process of becoming self-employed?
So yes, it was a trialling time, but it also allowed our whānau to use that their innovation and the skills and those beautiful things that we grew up with that are natural to us. And so kanohi ki te kanohi is really important, and for our people to be heard. And so we invite services along and stakeholders to set up, to come and kōrero and to talk about how they can support businesses, whether it's through advice or funding opportunities. And it's also important for our Pākihi to see kanohi Māori in those spaces. For example, if you have someone from the IRD, we get a bit anxious when those letters and calls come. So having a kanohi Māori there in front of us to say, this is what we can do, actually takes down some of those barriers and makes them more approachable, so that our whānau are having access to these agencies, support, services, funders, stakeholders that can support them in their journey.
This is such a great initiative. Talk to us about the lineup of guests planned for the event. Are they all from Whanganui? Are they major founders of successful Māori businesses? What were you looking for as inspirations for this hui?
So firstly, I was looking for our whānau from Te Awa Tupua, from Whanganui, that I call them their Pākihi champions. They've been doing the mahi in there, and not only are they successful in their business, but they're also giving back to our people and contributing to uri, to their hapū, to our whānau, to our community as Whanganui. So we have three amazing whānau here from the awa, Ash Pātia with Kitai. And Ash does mahi not only locally, but he also has an international field now that he is teaching Te Ao Māori and his culture code mahi. We have Manaia Rātana, Toirere Design, and Lee Williams from Paituia Studios, who works with Weta Workshop. They're doing amazing mahi for their Pākihi, but they continue to give back to our community, to our rangatahi and to our whānau. On top of that, we have Phil Bell, DJ Severe, coming back for the second time. He joined us last year, and we're so thankful that he is keen to jump on board this kaupapa, and his what he knows about the entertainment industry is amazing, and to share that with our whānau who are looking into that field of Pākihi, it's inspiring for us all.
And the kōrero on the couch, where people can just get to hear conversations around their expertise.
Absolutely. So our four guest speakers, they have that time, but also it's an opportunity for our services and stakeholders to jump on and talk about what they can offer for Pākihi Māori in particular. So we have Inland Revenue, Ministry of Social Development, ANZ Banking, who are new, joining us this year, Statistics New Zealand, as we know the census upcoming. That's really important for our whānau to be part of that. We have Te Puni Kōkiri, Te Manuatatu, and we're really thankful to have Whanganui and Partners, who are one of our major sponsors for this event. And now our FM, our local radio, because it's important that our Pākehī connect and learn how media can support them in the growth of their business.
Kau whakahaere for the event, Selita Tapatoro. Thank you so much for joining us today, and all the best with your Whanganui Pakihi Māori Summit tomorrow. Ngā mihi.
Ngā mihi, tēnā koe.